Sometimes when you import footage from an action cam or you import footage from a drone, that sometimes shows up as media offline, and that has to do with the codec that you're using. And to be able to see that footage in Davinci Resolve, you need to change that codec. And I'm going to tell you how to do that for free. First step is to go to Google and then type in Handbrake, because this is the video processor that we're going to use to change the codec. It's an open source video transcoder that can be downloaded for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. Now, choose whatever one you want to. Download the one you've got. I've got Windows, so download the one you need. And then be sure to follow all the installation steps, just like with any other project. And once you've installed it and you've opened it, this is the screen that you'll see, which allows you to either import a batch of all kinds of videos or either a file, a single file. So we're going to select the single file. I'm going to just randomly select one, open it. Just wait for it to scan. And here we are with the clip. It's an H.264 clip. Now you can use presets to make sure you use settings without having to do it manually. Or you can go to the video tab and then change it from H.265 to H.264. Because I assume it's H.265 why it doesn't work. It does work for me. It did work in the past. It does work with the newer version of Davinci Resolve. So let's say it doesn't work for you due to the codec. Just change it to something it does read, so H.264. And then once you've done that, make sure you've got the right destination folder. And then there's one more step left, which is start encode. And then once you've done that, it's going to prepare to encode. And then it'll show you all these numbers, the percentage and the time remaining and the time elapsed. And then afterwards, once it's done, then go back to Davinci Resolve, import the clip, drag it onto your timeline, and you will be able to play your clips. If the other video doesn't work for you, where you can relink the media, then this should definitely work. And to make this video more comprehensive, I'll show you the other problem that I've made a separate video about as well. Nothing is annoying as this message right here, media offline. But there's a quick and easy way how to fix it. So everything is offline, everything can't be found. Well, if I go to my video bin and I select everything, all I need to do is hit the right mouse button and go to relink selected clips. It will show a pop-up and that will allow me to go to the disk where everything is. You can go to the folder, but I just like to select the disk and then select this one, select folder. It will start the search, and then after a quick search, your media will appear again. Now this one's offline because I've got it set somewhere else. So I'm just going to deselect it for the sake of this tutorial. But now you see that all my clips are back